Hello, welcome back guys. Today in this tutorial we are going to make infographics in Adobe Illustrator. Infographics are used to show the percentage, or you can say the information about specific topic. So first of all, without wasting any time, let's start the video. I'm choosing the A4 size paper, changing the orientation to landscape, and just renaming it to Infographs so that you just know the project name. Okay, so after writing the Infographs, I'm going to hit enter key, and now it's creating the A4 size page. So first of all, I'm just doing the basic design for the Infographs. There are many advanced designs as well, but at this moment I'm just going to draw a basic. For that purpose, choose the ellipse tool. Draw a circle by pressing or holding the Alt and Shift key to define and to draw a fine circle. And now select the line segment tool. Draw a simple fine line by holding the Shift key, and just select the rotate tool and double click on it. Okay, I'm just choosing the rotate tool. Right 360 divided by 5. Okay, and just check the preview, and now click on OK, copy, and now press Ctrl plus D to copy all the layers lines, and just select both of them and centralize them. Okay, and by selecting both of them, remaining the both of them selection, and just click on pathfinder tool and click on divide, and it will divide the circle into 10 equal parts. And just make copy of that object again by holding the Alt key and the mouse key, click to drag, and just click on lasso tool and draw a circle over the lines. It will select the line segments of the circle and hit delete. It will delete the circle, and now we have the empty circle. Now let me choose the direct selection tool and show you that it is divided into 10 equal parts. Yep. Just give me a second, please. Yeah, you can say it's not, at this moment it's grouped. Okay, first of all we have to ungroup that layer. So first of all, let me choose a direction selection tool. It can able to select only single tool as well, like solely a single path, you can say. First of all, just increase the stroke weight to like 5 points, 7 points, or 9 points. It's up to you how much thickness you want and of the stroke. And yeah, direct selection tool, and yep, you can select the 1 point. Now I'm going to select complete circle and just ungroup that layer. Now see what happens. Yeah, and you can see there's like a sharp corners on every point. So for that purpose, I will be selecting the all points of that circle and click on round cap in stroke pop-up menu, you can say. And now you can see there's a like round corners on every point of the circle. Okay, so now I'm going to click on a type tool and just click on percentage, like any 100%, 10, 80%, any percentage you want, just write out. I'm just at this moment I'm just in a auxiliary system, and I'm just writing the 100%. And now we have to choose a font. Be aware of the fonts. We are choosing the Berlin Sans FB, and I don't know, it's a very long name. Yeah, so first of all we have to group all the points of the circle, okay, so that it not misplaced, so it will remain at their place. Like selecting both of them and just centralize them. Okay, and now the second thing we have to do is to increase the size of text. Okay, so first of all press shift to deselect and just group that layer again, the parts of the circle, and click on the select the text and increase the size of that, and just select both of them and centralize them. Okay, yeah, it's done. Okay, now the second thing is we have to do is to create the copy of circle only, and we have to draw a more thick stroke, you can say, and also change its color as well. So I'm just going to increase the weight of the stroke. Okay, and now selecting all the points of the circle and going to object path and offset path. Increase the points to how much thickness you want. It's up to you, I already told you. And now select all that, just change the color of that one because we have to like make a design. It changes. Now select the black circle and black text and just paste over the gray layer, gray circle, and choose the gray circle only. Okay, and sorry, we have to first of all group that one as well. So I'm going to group that one and selecting the black one as well and just paste over the gray circle. Only select the gray circle and right click, average, center back. Yeah, it's done now. Okay, perfect. So it was it is just like you can see the basic design and to show the how much skills, how many percentage you have in this skill, and how much you are accurate or you are in the mastering this skill. All right, so now we have to copy that one, creating the copy of 100% like this layer as well. And first of all, for example, we have to do like 90%. So what we're gonna do, we're going to select the type tool and select the 10 and change it to 9, moving the arrow keys to resize it again, like so change the location, and just selecting the only one point of the black circle and just delete it. Now it is 90%. Click. Okay, now sorry for that, all the parts are now selected. Selecting all the points again and just holding the alt key and the mouse click to drag it, and I'm going to select the type tool, selecting the only 9 and just creating it 8. So it's now 80%. And we know black circle is ungrouped, so we can select all 10 bars of that circle. So I'm just selecting the one and choosing it to 80. Okay, so it's now 80%, and we have deleted the 80%. Now it's time to choose a very low value to 10. It's 10. Okay, so how 10 will be shown? It's like we have to select all the 9 parts and delete it, and remaining the one part only, because we have to show only 10%, so only one part shows 10%. So selecting all by selecting the choosing the pressing the shift key and select all the points, 9 points. Remaining the points will be deleted, and only a single part will remain that shows only a 10% in the infograph. Okay, so I just made 100, 90, 80 and 10% infographs, and it's up to you. And there are many designs available in the YouTube, and you can just further go and you can search for that. There are many designs available. You can go for that one as well and just make the designs. It was just basic task and for the beginners as well.